Welcome back to WonderBlade. Today we're going to have a multi-tool showdown 2.0. Different from the other video before, this one we're going to have more strenuous tests to really test out the durability of these multi-tools. Now, one multi-tool that we've missed out on from the past video that you guys have wanted us to test out is Fiend. This Fiend multi-tool. Now, a quick introduction about Fiend. Fiend is actually one of the inventors of the oscillating multi-tool. So you would think that they have the best multi-tool since they're the ones that invented it back in 1967, right? Well, we're gonna put that to test. Now, both of these tied in at second place, and that is the DeWalt XR 20 volt and the Dremel MM35. And then also we sell the adapter that comes with it for putting in blades. For some reason with the Dremel multi-tools, they don't make it easy to attach the blade. They don't tell you that you need this specific attachment to place a universal fit blade. When it came to just cutting out the 12-inch piece of hardy siding, the DeWalt XR 20 volt just did the job a lot better. If there was a bigger battery, we are using a very small battery. That's probably why the Milwaukee Fuel M18 performs a little better. Maybe if you had a bigger battery with the DeWalt XR 20 volt, you get more oomph into the multi-tool. Now, coming in third place, not too far behind, is the Fiend Multi-Master. This tool is still a great tool. It was very easy to control. Compared to DeWalt 20 volt XR, this one, there was a lot of vibration compared to the Fiend. The Fiend, you don't really feel the vibration, which is a plus with this tool. Now let's cut through grout. Now, this testing, all that cutting could not have been done without the right blade. Now, for cutting through hardy siding, screws, nails, metal, wood, just about every material, and guess what? Even a cinder block. This multi-tool, as you can see, all the teeth are still intact. This same multi-tool we used, tool blade, we used in the entire video, cutting through grout, as you can see, blasting through all that grout with this grout cutting diamond segment and boot blade. This blade just blasts through grout like a hot knife through butter. Who comes in first place with all these multi-tools? Who comes in first place? Is it Milwaukee, DeWalt, or Fiend? They all come in first place. And the reason for that is because they each have their own uniqueness. Number one, when it comes to Milwaukee Fuel, this Milwaukee Fuel M18, this multi-tool just for straight power is phenomenal. It was the best in terms of cutting speed. One downside is when you try to put on the multi-tool, it could take a few seconds compared to a Fiend. You have to open up the lever, then you gotta unscrew it, then you gotta put the blade, and then you gotta screw this one back in. Make sure that you screw it tight, and then you lower this lever down. At least compared to the Fiend, you just attach it, boom, take it off, and it's that simple. And again, with the DeWalt XR 20 volt, you just let down this lever right here, put on the blade, and that's it. Just takes 1 second. For videos like this, subscribe to WonderBlade and stay tuned in for the next video, and have a great rest of your day.